Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Western Digital My Passport. This is a external hard drive and it is a portable one. I think it looks very big in the camera and it's really closed up, but don't worry about it. It's very small and it's really handy. When I open it up, you will be knowing how small it is. And the big picture here is that it is 4 TB and Western Digital has done it first. Afterwards, I think Seagate is also getting 4 TB in the portable sector, but this is real. So the color that you see on the box, that's the color of the hard drive, external hard drive that you get inside the box. That's a good thing, good gesture by Western Digital. Like if you buy black, then here the black will be there. If you buy blue, then the blue will be here. If you buy red, then red will be here. And if you buy white, then white will be here. And I think there is a yellow color too. So you have a lot of choice to select from. So you get auto backup here, considering if you install the Western Digital backup software, and you get Western Digital security, and this device gets a 3 years of warranty. I don't know about the data recovery, what are the terms and conditions with Western Digital, but you will be getting a new hard drive if you have damaged this one. So this cost around 17,140, but in India you can get it around 8,400 or 100, but I got it for 8,199. So the price that is mentioned here is a price. I might be thinking it was an earlier price, but now it costs half of it, maybe less than half of it. So it's a latest product. As you can see, it was imported in August 2018, so it might be manufactured in July or June 2018. And what more, nothing else. So we need to unbox this now. You get a one seal here. We'll get our knife to cut this up. Okay, it's really stuck up here. Oh my god. Yes, we did it. Now you just need to pull it very softly. Here it is written a small tag by WD. Thank you for choosing Western Digital. Wow, that's a good gesture. And now we will take it out. So as you can see here, there are two tabs here. You need to pull any one of it, or you can pull both the things. Okay, so we keep this aside and very carefully. Oh wow. Okay, it's a good thing you get the colorful cable too. Yeah, thank you WD, thank you Western Digital. And as you can see here, it's really small. As you can see, this is my hand, and in my hand it is just like this. And I think they are using two drive systems, or else how can they make it 4 TB here. So you get USB 3.1 or USB, yes, USB 3.1 supported. This is a USB 3.1 supported, right? It's not mentioned anything here. So we will dig inside this book so we will know. Okay, it's a very big book. Okay, this is the standard user manual with the terms and conditions for your warranty. So we keep all this aside and we look how it looks. So let's unwrap this. I need a moment of silence. It's really stuck in here. So should we open this or not? Okay, it's totally stuck here. I don't know why they have done this, but might be for some protective reason. But you need to pull this out. Okay, it's out. As you can see, we get a below sticker too. You need to pull this through. So we have taken all the stickers, and now as you can see here, we get nice rubber spaces here so that when you keep it, it won't scratch off your nice looking portable hard drive. So as you can see here, it's orange. And here it is mentioned the hard drive serial number and everything, also the website for WWD. So cable is also really nice. Let's open this up too. And it's an half a meter cable. It's a good thing. Just you need to plug it here and start it. It's plug and play. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This is Western Digital My Passport what's in the content video. Like when you unbox your device or when you plan to buy it, you will be knowing what you get inside the box. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be very happy to answer you all. Do subscribe my channel and share this video with anybody who is thinking about buying an Western Digital external hard drive or any. Bye bye.